The following video will show you how to place sorbent tubes in the trays of an automated system such as the TD100-xr or Ultra-XR. Inside your automated system, you will find the tray stack, and these are each labelled with the numbers for the tubes. Take the first tray and you can see that number 1 is at the back and number 10 is at the front. With the second tray, number 11 is at the back and 20 at the front, and so on. Sorbent tubes are loaded with the grooved end on the right-hand side. This is because the desorption flow is in this direction. When placing the tray in the stack, you'll feel pressure as it slots in at the end. Be careful not to go too far back. Once you've finished, close the door and the instrument is ready to be used. For more information, visit marks.com.